In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use preview mode in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to open Obsidian and navigate to the vault that contains the note you wish to view. Once Obsidian is running, simply browse through your File Explorer and click on the note you want to work with to open it in the editor. When a note is open in the editor, you'll see all the raw markdown syntax, which can sometimes make it difficult to appreciate how your note will look as a finished document. To see how your note will appear when published or shared, you need to switch to preview mode. Look towards the top right corner of your note window. You'll find a toggle button. This button is usually labeled as Reading View or Preview. Simply click this toggle button, and Obsidian will instantly switch your note from editing mode to preview mode. In preview mode, you'll immediately notice how your headings, text formatting, and links appear much cleaner, as the markdown symbols themselves are hidden. This view is perfect for checking how your internal links are displayed. Locate any linked notes within your content and confirm that they are presented clearly. You can even test these links by clicking on them. Doing so will take you directly to the linked note, confirming that your internal navigation is working as expected. As you scroll through the note, pay attention to embedded images to ensure they are appearing correctly within the layout. If you've included any tables, preview mode will show you how they are formatted, verifying that rows and columns are displayed properly. You'll also see callout boxes rendered with their intended styling, making important information stand out. For code examples, inspect the code blocks to ensure syntax highlighting is active and readable. Preview mode is also essential for checking any embedded content, such as other notes, videos, or files. Make sure everything loads and displays as it should. Take a moment to scroll through the entire note from top to bottom, getting a feel for the overall layout and readability. This is your chance to see your note as others will. When you're ready to make edits, returning to editing mode is just as simple. Click the same View toggle button you used earlier, and you'll be back to your markdown syntax. If you spot any formatting issues or need to update content, make those necessary changes now and save your updates. Once you've made your edits, switch back to Reading View to verify that your changes have been applied correctly. Using preview mode is crucial for final reviews. Before sharing any notes, always check them in this view to ensure they present professionally. The best workflow is to alternate between the two views. Use editing mode for writing and making changes, and then switch to preview mode for reading and reviewing. By regularly incorporating preview mode into your workflow as you create notes, you'll maintain clear, well-formatted, and easy-to-read documentation throughout your entire Obsidian vault.